evening and welcome. You're watching the News Hour Agenda. I'm Padmaja Joshi. Who would have thought that the shadow of slain mafia Atiq Ahmed would loom over the Karnataka elections of all things? After the Congress released its list of star campaigners, the BJP today swooped in on one name, that of Rajya Sabha MP Imran Pratap Ghari. Why? Because of the past relations of the Congress Member of Parliament and star campaigner with Atiq Ahmed. And it's not just any other relationship. Listen to Imran Pratap Ghari himself describe Atiq in eloquent words, an elder brother, a father figure.
शुक्रिया और खास तौर पे अपने बड़े उन्हें बड़ा भाई कहूं कि वो बिल्कुल बाप की हैसियत में है, जनाब अतीक साहब का, जिनकी दुआएं मुझे बहुत ताकत देती रही हैं हमेशा से। मैं हिंदुस्तान के किसी भी शहर में खड़ा होकर के जालिम हुकूमतों के खिलाफ जब भी आवाज बुलंद करता था तो अंदर से एक एहसास रहता था कि इलाहाबाद में बैठा हुआ एक शख्स है, कुछ भी गड़बड़ होगी तो वो संभाल लेगा। ये जो एहसास है वो बहुत बड़ा है। मैं उन्हें सलाम करता हूं।
Well, clearly the love and fulsome praise was not one-sided. Atiq Ahmed is on camera, on record, calling Imran Pratap Ghari, the Congress MP, his heartbeat and his younger brother. The question though is, what is the intent then of getting someone like an Imran Pratap Ghari onto the Karnataka election campaign at a time when across country there is horror and outrage about the past deeds of Atiq Ahmed, which are now tumbling out of the closet after his murder.
शुक्रिया और खास तौर पे अपने बड़े उन्हें बड़ा भाई कहूं कि वो बिल्कुल बाप की हैसियत में है, जनाब अतीक साहब का, जिनकी दुआएं मुझे बहुत ताकत देती रही हैं हमेशा से। मैं हिंदुस्तान के किसी भी शहर में खड़ा होकर के जालिम हुकूमतों के खिलाफ जब भी आवाज बुलंद करता था तो अंदर से एक एहसास रहता था कि इलाहाबाद में बैठा हुआ एक शख्स है, कुछ भी गड़बड़ होगी तो वो संभाल लेगा।
तेरे पद के बराबर रब किसी का कद नहीं होगा।
हमारे छोटे भाई कहिए या हमारे दिल की धड़कन कहिए, हमारा भाई इमरान प्रताप गढ़ी।
The shadow of the dawn of Prayagraj over Karnataka. Is this an effort then by the BJP to polarize the election, to pick up on a man and his videos from several years ago? Or is this the Congress and trying its best bet to reach out via Atiq and Imran Pratap Ghari to the Muslim vote bank? Is this its strange brand of appeasement politics?
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
All right, joining us on the debate, Avnijesh Awasthi, political analyst, Ganesh Karnik, spokesperson of the BJP, will be joining us in a bit. Abdul Razak Khan and Asif Sohail, both political analysts. My first question, though, is to Lokesh Jindal, leader of the Congress. Lokesh ji, ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है?
देखिए, इससे कहीं गहरा ज्यादा रिश्ता तो नंद गोपाल नंदी जी का है। नंद गोपाल नंदी is having a very, I would say, a very heart-touching photograph with Atiq Ahmed, and he's the cabinet minister of the UP government. So you cannot accuse or you cannot question the character of a person based upon a past photograph or a past reference made when that other person was not even under trial or any form of a convict.
But here's
in that
the thing.
case, even Prime Minister
Here's the
Modi
thing.
has
This is not just a picture. Lokesh ji, this is not just a picture. Here is what Imran Pratap Ghari says. And let me play that out again for you, just for that to sink in. This is not a picture, because you're right. When you're in public life, कोई भी खड़ा होकर फोटो खिंचा लेता है. Let's listen in to Imran Pratap Ghari again saying, उन्हें बड़ा भाई कहूं या बाप की हैसियत में है. Let's listen in again to what he said about Atiq Ahmed from his own mouth.
शुक्रिया, और ख़ास तौर पे अपने उन्हें बड़ा भाई कहूं कि वो बिल्कुल बाप की हैसियत में है, जनाब अतीक साहब का, जिनकी दुआएं मुझे बहुत ताकत देती रही हैं हमेशा से। मैं हिंदुस्तान के किसी भी शहर में खड़ा होकर के जालिम हुकूमतों के खिलाफ जब भी आवाज बुलंद करता था तो अंदर से एक एहसास रहता था कि इलाहाबाद में बैठा हुआ एक शख्स है, कुछ भी गड़बड़ होगी तो वो संभाल लेगा। ये जो एहसास है वो बहुत बड़ा है, मैं उन्हें सलाम करता हूं।
So this goes beyond a picture, Lokesh Jindal, doesn't it?
Yeah, I have one more video to show. This is Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji sharing stage with Sant Asaram Bapu. And Sant Asaram Bapu is right now in the Jodhpur jail. And he bowed down to Nityanand, who is also a convict. So based upon
When
these
was the
past
Prime Minister
videos,
with Asaram Bapu? What
he
year?
was, this was somewhere around in 2010.
When did Asaram Bapu get convicted of rape?
2013, from 2013 onwards, he has been
Correct.
but
When
then
did he
later-
start facing
wait.
charges? When did he start facing charges?
But let me also remind you, Narendra Modi's government was pulled up by the Gujarat High Court for not carrying out the investigation properly against Sant Asaram Bapu.
Now you
So
are
in that
changing
case-
goalposts.
No,
Simple
absolutely
question to
not.
you
I
is,
am
this
very
video
much
is
precise
of
on
the
my
vintage
fact.
of 2014. In 2014, Atiq Ahmed stood accused of 85 cases, including that of murder, attempt to murder, accessory to murder, 120 conspiracy, common cause, all of this. Extortion. 85 cases in 2014 when he was called मेरे बड़े भाई, मेरे बाप जैसी हैसियत by star campaigner Lokesh Jindal.
In that case, yes, certainly. Even Narendra Modi government had set up Justice Trivedi Commission to probe deaths in the Motera ashram. And for this, he was being criticized by the High Court for procedural biases towards Asaram Bapu. So over here, even there are instances, Nand Gopal Nandi himself has a photograph with Atiq Ahmed. He is right now the cabinet
Why are you
minister in the
jumping
UP
from
government.
the Prime Minister to Nandi?
The
Let's
point is-
address it case by
point
case.
is-
Case by case. So one, we are talking about somebody who stood accused of murder, already had cases of murder, being called somebody's brother and father. Leave that. Now everyone knows who Atiq Ahmed is. Now there is no secret about it. Why does his young brother, his heartbeat, still become a star campaigner? Why?
Why is he serving still as a cabinet minister? He is Nand Gopal Nandi. बड़े प्रेम से देखा जा रहा है, निहारा जा रहा है अतीक अहमद को. He is a cabinet minister in Uttar Pradesh government and is presently serving as a cabinet minister. I think BJP has more answers to give rather than the Congress.
Okay,
You are
Ganesh
only
Karnik,
targeting-
where have you dug up this Imran Pratap Gadhi and his elder brother Atiq Ahmed from, of in all places, Karnataka? Are you trying to polarize, one? And two, everyone has pictures, so does a BJP minister in Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Karnik. We seem to have lost the line with him. Avnijesh Awasthi, फोटो तो सबकी खिंचती है, नंद गोपाल नंदी की भी खिंची है.
पद्मजा जी, बड़ी साफ सी बात यह है कि लोकेश जिंदल, आप ये बताइए कि क्या नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार ने आसाराम बापू के लिए के पक्ष में कोर्ट में जाकर के ये कहा कि मैं सारे वापस ले लेता हूं? ये समाजवादी पार्टी जो आपके अलायंस है, सुन लीजिए लोकेश, अभी बीच में मत बोलिए ना, अरे सुन तो लीजिए.
पूरा कीजिए,
बात यह है कि जिनको बाद में फांसी की सजा हुई वो अतीक अहमद की पार्टी, जिसका गुणगान यशोगान आपकी पार्टी के स्टार प्रचारक कर रहे थे अभी, कि उन जैसा कद किसी का होगा नहीं, कोई आएगा ना तो ना भविष्य की, ना ऐसा हुआ है ना होगा. ये सब सुनने के बाद, राजूपाल की हत्या के बाद, अशरफ के हारने के बाद, जिसके कारण उन पर वो गैंगरेप का चार्जेस लगे थे और 80 से ज्यादा तब तक केस हो चुके थे, और अब तो जब आपने इनको पार्टी में लिया और राज्यसभा का सदस्य बनाया और स्टार प्रचारक बनाया, तब तक सब कुछ हो चुका था. और सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है कि अभी कन्विक्ट होने के बाद आपने स्टार प्रचारक बनाया उनको. अभी तो अतीक अहमद कन्विक्ट हो चुका था ना, कन्विक्ट हो चुका था, उसके बाद आपने स्टार प्रचारक बनाया उसको. बात बड़ी साफ सी है लोकेश जिंदल, आज कांग्रेस पार्टी के भीतर लोगों की जो आत्मा रो रही है ना, उसका एक दृश्य इससे पिछले शो में आप देख लेते तो अच्छा रहता।
Okay, Lokesh,
आप कर
why
सकते हैं,
make him
आप
star
कर सकते हैं।
pracharak after Atiq's conviction?
No, tell me one thing. Why he shouldn't be made the star pracharak? Just because he is Imran Pratapgarhi? He has made his, he has excelled as a shire. He has earned this form of, admiration from the masses. He has worked
He has
hard to become a
what from
popular
the
leader.
masses? He is not even elected to the Lok Sabha. He is nominated to the Rajya Sabha.
No, you are grossly mistaken, Padmaja. He
हार
has
चुका है
been
ये।
a wonderful orator.
अरे
And
इमरान-
as a
इमरान
youth
प्रताप
icon,
गढ़ी को
he is
जनता ने
admired
हार
by
चुकी है।
millions.
चुनाव हारे हुए
बात कर रहे हैं ना।
अवनीश अवस्थी।
चुनाव हारने से
जिन मासिस की बात कर रहे हैं कि मासिस
आप
के
मुझे एक बात
इंस्पिरेशन
बताएं।
लेके करते हैं, उस मासिस ने इनको हरा दिया,
नहीं है जो चुनाव
इनको हरा दिया, इनकी जमानत जब्त हो गई।
नहीं, आप मुझे एक बात बताइए, क्या ऐसा कोई बड़ा लीडर नहीं है जो चुनाव ना हारा हो?
भैया अब
ये
आप
तो
बड़ा
आपका
लीडर कह रहे हैं, तो
अजीब मामला
अभी आप
है।
वो हो लोकेश,
अरे
लोकेश देखो
महात्मा
बात सुनो,
गांधी भी
लोकेश
चुनाव
बात तो
हारे
सुनो,
थे,
बात तो सुनो,
कांग्रेस का
बात तो
अंतर
सुनिए, बात तो सुनिए। आपने कहा
जी।
कि ये मासिस की इंस्पिरेशन की बात कर रहे थे। अतीक अहमद
बिल्कुल।
आपके सामने है, और राजूपाल की हत्या में सबको मालूम था कि राजूपाल की हत्या की, ये तो
अरे
सब
संत
सार्वजनिक
आसाराम
था।
बापू के
सुन लीजिए,
बच्चे
अरे
का
सुन लीजिए ना,
मर्डर करने का चार्ज था।
अरे सुन तो लीजिए ना, अरे सुन
इतना
लीजिए, सुन लीजिए,
घिनौना कृत्य
अरे
था।
पहले सुन लीजिए ना। वो जितने लोगों के किस्से आ रहे हैं कि जिसकी जमीन पे कब्जा किया, जिसको गायब कर दिया, जिसको मार दिया, बलात्कार किया, और उसके कमरे का हाल देखा, कोठी का हाल देखा, वहां क्या क्या अय्याशी होती, ये सब कुछ पब्लिक डोमेन में था। कम से कम प्रयागराज के लोग तो जानते थे। और ये कह रहा है कि मुझ पर जब कुछ होगा तो ये बैठा है व्यक्ति जो मुझे बचा लेगा। भाई कौन है अतीक अहमद जो बचा लेगा?
So here's the
भाई
funny
कौन है
thing.
अतीक
You
अहमद?
expect him to be a vote magnet in Karnataka when he couldn't even get votes himself in his home state of Uttar Pradesh. Lokesh Jindal. So is this about getting votes by way of your popularity or something else? That being said, Mr. Ganesh Karnik, the Congress is arguing, why shouldn't he? He's the minority Morcha chief. He will go wherever the hell he wants. He will go to Karnataka.
absolutely.
India is a free country, Mr. Karnik.
Padmaja, sorry, there was an interruption. I could not join the discussion earlier. I have partly heard Mr. Lokesh, and I've also partly heard my co-panelists talking about him. Congress in Karnataka is desperate. They are losing this election. Only to consolidate the minority vote bank, they are getting this person as a star campaigner who has got established links with the Atiq and Ashraf and all kinds of, people who have taken law into their hands. And only to appease the minority community and consolidate their votes, they have resorted to this cheap theatrics. And I don't think any responsible political party will invite somebody as a star campaigner who has got direct links with somebody who was murdered a couple of days ago, and then there are 150 plus cases on him. He was a terror in UP state. He used to manage the entire government in UP state. And a person who has got close links with this person, he is invited as a star campaigner in Karnataka. Why? Only to appease that minority vote bank.
That we have invited Imran Pratapgarhi so as to consolidate the minority vote bank. So is it just because of his religion that you don't want Imran Pratapgarhi to be the star campaigner in Karnataka? This is absurd. This is not acceptable. How can you make a person's religion as an ineligibility for him?
No, it is not about his religion.
Why
It is
he
about
wants to
his
be the
love.
star campaigner?
It is about his love for
He
Atiq
is-
Ahmed.
No,
Okay,
no,
let's
he-
face it.
he is
Let's
a
face it,
orator.
Lokesh
He is
Jindal.
a orator.
Let's face
He
it,
is a minority
Atiq Ahmed is not wined and dined by all political parties from Apna Dal to Samajwadi Party because he was a great man manager, or that he was loved by the masses, or he was Jawaharlal Nehru reincarnate. He was wined and dined because this was a vote bank that he used to hold captive. That is the reason he was wined and dined in Uttar Pradesh. And now in his name, the charge is his younger brother and his heartbeat, Imran Pratapgarhi, becomes your star campaigner. Nobody is holding his religion
Right
against
now
him.
No, 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 no. Right now, you told me that he was wined and dined because he was able to provide or emerge
A
as a
captive
leader
vote
for
bank,
a sizable
obviously.
section, a captive vote bank.
Yes.
So in that capacity, almost all political persons, they used to reach out to him and they used to wine and dine with him.
Sir, having a captive vote bank is not a problem. Holding people captive and giving them electric shocks is a problem.
No, so don't you think Nand Gopal Nandi was also one of them?
अरे
If
but
he can
Nand
hold a
Gopal
cabinet
Nandi is not
portfolio,
saying
why
कि
can't
वो
Imran
मेरे
Pratap
बड़े
Gadi be
भाई
a
या वो
star
मेरे बाप की
campaigner?
तरह है.
अरे वो तो ऐसे देख रहा है भैया, आप ही ईश्वर हो, आप फोटोग्राफ देखिए.
अरे सर, आप तो मतलब लव गुरु बन गए. आप नंद गोपाल नंदी की फोटो देख करके उनकी आंखों के प्यार को भी समझ गए.
आप देखिए ये फोटोग्राफ समझिए आप, क्या है इस फोटो में.
Okay, Captain Karnik,
तो the way he looks
respond to that. You've got a UP minister sitting and looking lovingly at that same Atiq Ahmed, whose association with Imran Pratap Gadi you are picking up.
Showing a photograph. Context, I really don't know. People come and meet all these important people at any points of time. But that doesn't establish the criminal background. Whereas this Imran is known for that. He has been making public demands for beheading people. There are records about it. And that person comes to Karnataka as a campaign of a party, for a national party. And what is the reason? What is the connection between Imran and Karnataka electorate? They are getting
इस जज्बात को समझिए सर आप.
minority votes. Nothing else.
सर इस गहराई को समझिए सर आप.
Okay, आपका फोन ऑफ हो गया, इतनी गहराई में चले गए आप. But let me bring in Avnijesh Awasthi and Abdul Razak Khan as well. Here's the thing. Okay, Avnijesh Awasthi wants to make a point, and I'll bring in Abdul Razak Khan. Yes.
Lokesh Jindal, if I am wrong, please correct me. But लेकिन ये इमरान प्रतापगढ़ी महाराष्ट्र से उस व्यक्ति के वोट से राज्यसभा पहुंचे जिसको आप AIMIM असदुद्दीन ओवैसी की पार्टी को बीजेपी की भी पार्टी कहते हैं आप. उसके वोट से तो ये वहां पर पहुंचे, राज्यसभा पहुंचे. करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग.
And anyway, for Lokesh Jindal, who is talking about how Muslims are the ones who are being promoted by the Congress and the BJP is trying to demonize them, let me tell you that there is a candidate of the Congress who has just switched over to the JDS today, and listen to what he is saying. He is saying that another person gave 2 crore rupees for National Herald, and that's why a Muslim candidate's ticket was taken away. So if you're saying that, this is all about demonizing Muslims by the BJP, listen to this man.
ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಹೆರಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗೆ 2 ಕೋಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಮಾತು ಇಡಿ ಅವರು ಇನಾಯತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ 2 ಕೋಟಿಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸೀಟನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಾರಿದ್ದು 2 ಕೋಟಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಇವರ ಲಾಭಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 2 ಕೋಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ತಮ್ಮ ಇಡಿ ಅವರು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರ ಮನೆಗೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೀಟ್ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್?
ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಉಪವಾಸ ಹಿಡಿದು ಉಪವಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರ ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಉಪವಾಸ ರಂಜಾನ್ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಣ್ಣ ಲಾಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಕಾತ್ ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಸಮಯ. ಇಂತಹ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಬಲಿಪಶುವಾದೆ. ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ.
So anyway, that was Moinuddin Bawa saying that because Inayat Ali gave 2 crores to D.K. Shivakumar, that's why Moinuddin Bawa was not given the ticket. So much for doing justice to Muslims. But let me bring you in Abdul Razak Khan on the issue. Who is trying to polarize the Karnataka election using Atiq Ahmed? Let me explain the political significance to the viewers. Muslims constitute over 13% of the population. That's almost as much Muslims as there are in Uttar Pradesh. And most importantly, in 40 seats, they have a very decisive vote. Whenever there is polarization, the BJP stands to gain. For example, the 19 seats in coastal Karnataka. When polarization happened there, the BJP ended up getting 16 out of those 19 seats. Is this the Congress's idea to counter?
Padmaja ji, first of all, let me tell you, polarization is BJP's handiwork. because they have not done anything on the development front. Today, polarization is the only thing that the BJP can think of, because if they go in front of the voter will question them as to what did they do in the past 4 years. All that the BJP can say is hijab, halal, azan, all these kind of things.
So if the BJP is using hijab and halal, why did the Congress give them Imran and Atiq? Nobody asked you to make Imran Pratap Garhi the campaigner.
See, Imran and Atiq is a hilarious story that you have picked up. Imran and Atiq is very hilarious, you know. Here in
well, then you can laugh, but answer the question.
MLA called Nehru Olekar, a special court convicted him of simple imprisonment for 2 years for corruption charges. Now the entire BJP top brass was in connection with him. Today will you question all those people? One of your friends is being convicted in a case. Nehru Olekar is the MLA I'm talking about.
Sir,
this is just about 15 February.
Can we limit ourselves right now to Imran Pratap Garhi? You started out by saying, oh, this is a hilarious story. You still haven't explained why you're so amused. What is hilarious?
Yes.
About Atiq, a mass murderer and mafia, and Imran Pratap Garhi, his younger brother and heartbeat.
How is Imran Pratap Garhi supposed to know that in 2014, while he is praising him as a poet, not even like a politician, on a special stage, he's just, you know, praising Atiq Ahmed as a poet, not
because
as
he
a
had gone
politician.
to jail.
He was in jail.
2019, Atiq Ahmed
अरे 2012 में बाहर आया जब समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार आई थी।
Let me tell you.
2008 से लेकर 2012 तक अतीक अहमद जेल में था।
तो जेल गए थे।
जेल में था। किस बात पर?
येडियुरप्पा भी जेल
राजूपाल
गए थे।
आपको यही बात है ना कि राजूपाल की हत्या हो जाए, उमेश पाल की हत्या हो जाए, ये पिछड़ी जातियां जो है, पिछड़ी जातियों को मारने का हक है आपको। पिछड़ी जातियों को मारने का हक है। मार दिया, मर गया,
क्या येडियुरप्पा जी के ऊपर केसेस कर्नाटक में नहीं है?
So hold on a second, Abdul Razak Khan, your argument is, hold on a second, your argument is twofold. One, you are saying how was Imran Pratap Garhi supposed to know what is Atiq Ahmed doing in his spare time when he is not listening to Shairi? Second, he was praising his poetic aspect. He was like, आप रात को जो करते हो वो मुझे नहीं पता, but दिन में you are a patron of the arts. So I am praising Atiq Bhai, the patron, the connoisseur as it were.
The video dates back to 2014. This was said in 2014.
When was Rajupal murdered? Rajupal was murdered 7 years before this video was shot. By this time, Atiq Ahmed had already killed Rajupal, got him killed. He had already taken off countless properties. He had kidnapped people. Infamous example of how he held a man captive, gave him electric shocks to take away his land. All of it had happened, sir.
Rajupal was murdered in 2005. But was he convicted is my question.
Oh.
He was murdered in 2005. How many BJP leaders are not facing criminal charges? So he was murdered in 2005. This was said in 2014. He was convicted in 2019.
Okay,
so
Abhijesh Awasthi. By this time, he gave him the benefit of doubt and said, so what? ऐसे इल्जाम लगते रहते हैं. और as समाजवादी पार्टी ने कहा कि कभी-कभी बड़े-बड़े लोगों से ये छोटी-छोटी चीजें होती रहती हैं. पर वो शायर अच्छे हैं, तो उनके साथ स्टेज पे आ गए वो.
ये राजूपाल की हत्या अब्दुल रज़ाक खान ठीक लगभग वैसे ही हुई थी जैसे अतीक अहमद और अशरफ की हुई है, ब्रॉड डे लाइट, और सिर्फ मारा नहीं गाड़ियों में, जब उसका पोस्टमार्टम हो रहा था वहां हॉस्पिटल के अंदर जाकर के गोलियां मारी. और आप कह रहे थे, अभी भी आप यही कहेंगे ना कि इन तीनों लोगों ने, अगर ये कोई कहे कि इन तीनों लोगों ने नहीं मारा तो आप क्या कहेंगे? अभी तो आप इनके कह रहे हैं कि पुलिस की सुरक्षा में. और सुन लीजिए, अरे सुन लीजिए, अरे सुन तो लीजिए ना. अभी तो आपने उस आदमी को, अरे सुन लीजिए अब्दुल रज़ाक खान, सुन लीजिए, अरे पूरी बात तो सुन लीजिए ना, पूरी बात सुनिए. अभी आपने असद के एनकाउंटर पे कहा, जिस असद ने उमेश पाल को मारा, सबके सीसीटीवी कैमरे में नजर आ रहा है, पुलिस उसको ढूंढ रही है, तो आप कह रहे कि उसको पैर में गोली मार देते, पकड़ लेते, न्यायिक प्रक्रिया में कर लेते, कोई गवाह नहीं मिलता. अरे भैया बात तो रहा था, अगर लॉ अबाइडिंग सिटीजन को आना चाहिए खुद थाने में कि आप मुझे ढूंढ रहे थे, मैं आया हूं आपके पास. असद को खुद आना चाहिए था, और अभी जब उसको मारा गया तो आप लोग कहते हैं फेक एनकाउंटर है ये।
Okay, let me bring in Asif Sohail as well. Of course, we have heard praise and the mutual regard that both Imran Pratap Gadi and Atiq Ahmed had for each other. But Asif Sohail, another very interesting link is also there between Atiq Ahmed's family and Asaduddin Owaisi, which many people don't know about. But before I come to that, do you think that now that this has come to light, Imran Pratap Gadi should be removed as star campaigner? It's only right. Everyone knows Atiq Ahmed is now a mafia. Everyone knows the circumstances in which he was killed. Should Imran Pratap Gadi be removed as star campaigner?
जी, मैं नहीं मानता हूं कि इमरान प्रताप गढ़ी को निकालना चाहिए। वो आज एक हिंदुस्तान में मजलूमों की आवाज़ कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक बनकर दिल्ली के बादशाहों के कान में जो सो तकलीफ हो रही है, आज वो उनकी गलती ये है कि वो मुसलमान सांसद है, इसीलिए उन्हें टारगेट किया जा रहा है। देखिए, वो शायर थे जब ने उन्हें जब कहा था, और जब भी वो जिसके बारे में कहा था वो वहाँ के थे, वहाँ के सांसद थे, उनके बारे में कहा था। वो चीज़ों को लेकर आकर आप अगर करेंगे तो देखिए, आप कई लोग हैं, बीजेपी के कई लोग जुड़े हैं अतीक अहमद के साथ, उनको सस्पेंड करेंगे क्या? और मालेगांव की ब्लास्ट एक्यूज जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने खुद कहा है कि वो दिल से माफ नहीं करेंगे मोदी जी ने, तो उनको सस्पेंड किया क्या? सादी पगिया को बताइए। आप सिर्फ एक मुसलमान सांसद को टारगेट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो आज दिल्ली के बादशाहों को तकलीफ दे रही है। उनकी आवाज, सच्चाई की आवाज वो पार्लियामेंट के अंदर लेकर राज्यसभा में जो सो मुद्दों को उठाते, इसलिए उन्हें टारगेट किया जा रहा है। मैं नहीं समझता वो उनकी आवाज को खत्म कर सकेंगे और मजबूती के साथ वो बाहर निकल कर आएंगे। और रही बात आपने कहा असदुद्दीन ओवैसी के साथ जो
the beacon of the Muslim community is now in your midst and he is scaring you.
देखिए,
hold on, आप ही की बात कह रही हूँ। You're scared, गणेश कार्णिक।
इन्होंने हिंदी में बात किया था, लेकिन I'll try to answer it in English. Not that my Hindi is bad, but I'll try to explain. See, again I'll come back to the same point. Atiq and Ashraf were Muslims. Imran is a Muslim. And Imran is not an innocent guy that he only knew about the Shairi of Atiq. He knew what happened in UP. He knew how, as a Don, he was controlling the mafia in UP. He knew all these things. Today, they're all pleading innocence and ignorance of, Mr. Imran. Imran may be a Rajya Sabha member. He may be a prominent leader for, known people. But in Karnataka, by sending Imran as a star campaigner, you are giving us an issue. We have no problem. We are not polarizing. You are polarizing. You are getting Imran only to polarize the Muslim votes.
And here's what is curious. Here's what is curious. The option was to have a Sachin pilot, Lokesh Jindal, who is, by the way, an elected MLA. He's not an MLC. He's not a Rajya Sabha MP. He's an elected MLA. He has been Deputy Chief Minister. He has a fairly large following among urban people, among women. He could have been made star campaigner, but no. And Imran Pratap Gadi has been plucked and taken to Karnataka. Which is why the question, why? What does he bring to the table that Sachin Pilot doesn't?
Padmaja, I can understand the frustration of BJP because they are finding the competition too tough to handle. So they are saying कि भाई इतना tough competition मत दो, ये मत करो हमारे साथ, हम कैसे handle करेंगे? Sir, have some sportsman spirit. No, have
but you
some
still haven't
sportsman
answered
spirit.
the question. What does Imran Pratap Gadi bring to the table that Sachin Pilot doesn't?
What I want to advise BJP, work hard so that आपकी ज़मानतें ज़ब्त ना हो. I want to, wish you all the
That's
best.
That's great advice. But what does Sachin Pilot
not
have that Imran Pratap Gadi does?
Imran Pratap Gadi has good oratory skills. I think शायराना अंदाज है जो एक काफी ज्यादा लुभाया जाता है. एक लखनवी अवधी कल्चर है जो कहते हैं लखनवी स्टाइल का, तो वो एक इमरान प्रताप गढ़ी के पास.
So you're saying that Sachin Pilot is a bad speaker?
No, not at all. सचिन पायलट जी का अपना एक अलग अंदाज है, इमरान प्रताप गढ़ी जी का अपना अलग अंदाज है.
He will be a misfit in Karnataka as opposed to an Imran Pratap Gadi who lost his own election.
No, but if at all we plan of having a orator who is not a shire, we can always have Sachin Pilot ji with us. And I believe that Sachin Pilot is way above than star campaigner. Star campaigner तो कोई भी बन सकता है.
So then in that
लेकिन
case, why
सचिन
have
पायलट जी
politicians
तो
at all as
भावी
star
मुख्यमंत्री
campaigners?
हैं.
आप पूरी शायरों की मंडली लेकर के जाइए. Don't have any
बिल्कुल वो
politician.
भी जाएंगे.
आप सब कवि और शायरों की मंडली लीजिए. Anyhow, final word to Avnijesh Awasthi. Still very curious. Still haven't understood कि what was the choice. A lot of people in Karnataka are actually saying that Imran Pratapgarhi is barely known. कोई उनको जानता नहीं है. इस चॉइस के पीछे का मकसद क्या था?
मकसद ये है, पद्मजा जी बड़ी साफ सी बात बताऊं, जब इमरान प्रतापगढ़ी को राज्यसभा की सीट दी गई तो एक इनके मीडिया हेड जो आजकल है, उन्होंने कहा मेरी तपस्या में लगता है कुछ कमी रह गई, और दूसरी ने कहा कि मैं 18 साल से कांग्रेस की सेवा कर रही हूं, मुझे लगता है मेरी सेवा में भी कुछ कमी रह गई. ये असलियत है. असलियत ये है कि इसलिए लेके गए हैं. कुछ लोगों के बड़े चहेते होंगे. एक बात. दूसरी बात, लोकेश जी 10 सेकंड ले रहा हूं बस. आप ये कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी बहुत टफ वहां पर उसको आप कंपटीशन दे रहे हैं, तो फिर इमरान प्रतापगढ़ी को ले जाने की जरूरत नहीं. या आप ये कहना चाहते हैं इमरान प्रतापगढ़ी को ले जा रहे हैं इसलिए टफ कंपटीशन दे रहे हैं? अगर इसलिए टफ कंपटीशन दे रहे हैं तो पोलराइज आप कर रहे हैं. तीसरी बात, जरा ये कहा कि मजलूमों की आवाज उठा रहा था. मैं उनसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, मजलूम तो वो थे जिनकी सारी कहानियां अभी तमाम चैनल दिखा रहे हैं. किसी की जमीन छीन ली, किसी का हस्बैंड छीन लिया, किसी के बेटे को मार दिया, किसी के साथ गैंग रेप कर दिया. वो सारे मजलूम थे. उसके बारे में कहना चाहिए था एक शायर उनकी बात करता है.
Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. Look, it is entirely a party's prerogative who they want to turn into their campaigner and who they want to make into their star campaigner. But if Imran Pratapgarhi brings that kind of star power, one also has the right to turn around and ask what makes him into that star. What were the calculations at play? We wish both parties luck. Thanks very much, gentlemen.